Meet Sam. When people talked about Excel, all Sam heard was rocket science. Sam worked hard, trying to put together the reports his boss asked him for, but he didn't have the knowledge he needed to be successful. Sam was afraid his worst nightmare would come true, getting fired. He needed to learn Excel fast, in an engaging way, at your own pace, from anywhere, at the time that works best for you. Whether on the go, from home, or work. The course is made up of bite-sized lessons that make learning manageable and fun. Watch a video, do a practical exercise, and take a quiz to cement your new knowledge. Sam found work a breeze. Things that used to take him hours now only took him minutes. And he had the confidence to present his reports at meetings. Before long, Sam's boss was so impressed, he offered him a promotion. Sam went from Excel novice to Excel ninja, and so can you. Start learning today.